So Mr. Sarthak, this is our magic triangle for the basic speed, distance, time questions. So distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is equal to distance upon time. And time is equal to distance upon speed. Mr. Sarthak, any problem with this? Any problem in these equations?
No, sir.
And we will do the basic problems for this. So what is the answer for distance? First question.
80.
I'm sorry?
180.
180. Yeah. So see, in all these questions, the speed is in kilometer per hour. The distance, it is in kilometers, and the time, it is in hours. So in this case, my distance would be speed into time. Speed is 60, time is 3. So my answer would be 180. Very nice, Mr. Sarthak. So you need to write the units also. So you can write 180 kilometers. Okay. Shabash. Very nice. So what is the speed in this case, Mr. Sarthak?
6
Okay.
kilometers per hour.
Yeah, very nice. So speed is equal to distance upon time. My distance is 30. My time is 5 hours. So my time would be 6 hours. Very nice. Shabash. Okay. Uh, third question. What is the speed for third question?
Kilometers an hour.
I'm sorry.
100 kilometers per hour.
Okay. Speed is equal to 1000 kilometers upon 10 hours. So my speed would be 100 kilometers per hour. Very nice. Okay, I think I made a mistake in writing the units here. Let me correct that. Because it is speed, so I should write 6 kilometer per hour. 6 kilometer per hour. Okay. And what would be the time here, Sarthak?
50,000 hours.
Okay. The formula for time is distance upon speed. The distance is 1000 kilometers. The speed is 50 kilometer per hour. So therefore, time would be, Mr. Sarthak.
So I multiplied by mistake.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that is why I have shared this magic triangle with you. So whenever you are doing these distance, speed, time formula, it is a good idea to make this triangle on the side of the worksheet. It gets easier. So distance is speed into time. Speed is distance upon time. Time is distance upon speed. Yeah. Okay. So what is the answer here? What is the distance here?
So 50,000 kilometers.
So my distance is speed into time. Speed into time. My speed is 5000 multiplied by time. My time is 10. So my distance would be 50,000 kilometers. Very nice, Mr. Sarkar. Okay, what would be the distance here?
5,000 kilometers.
Prabha. Again, distance is speed into time. Speed into time. So this would be 5,000 kilometers. Very nice. Very nice. What would be the speed here?
100 kilometers an hour.
Okay. So speed is distance upon time. Distance is 1000. 1000 upon time. Time is 10. So my speed would be 100 kilometer in an hour per hour. Very nice. Okay. Okay. Here there is a mistake. So let us assume. Okay. Let us assume that we have to find this. How will you find the How will you find the speed, Sarthak?
So speed will be distance upon time.
Shabash, shabash. 500 upon 50. So the answer would be
10.
shabash. 10 kilometer per hour. Yeah.
So but then why did you write the all the three?
So yeah, that was a mistake. That was a mistake. Actually, one of the blocks should be empty.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the answer for this here?
Uh,
Mrs. Harper. Speed. What is the speed here?
and so 100 kilometers per hour.
Shabash. So 1,000 kilometers. 1,000 kilometers. This is our kilometer. This is our hour. This is our kilometer per hour. So 1,000 upon 10. This would be. This is hour. So 100 kilometer per hour. Shabash. Very nice. Sorry, 100 kilometer per hour. Okay, very nice. Next question. What is the what is the distance?
3 lakh kilometers.
Okay. So the distance would be speed into time. My speed is 2000. My time is 150. So my answer would be 15 to the 30, and there would be four zeros. So this would be 3 lakh kilometer. Very nice. Shabash. What is the distance here?
10,000 kilometers.
Shabash. Again, speed into time. Distance is speed into time. So 200 into 50 is equal to 5 to the 10 and followed by three zeros. So it will be 10,000 kilometers. Nice. What would be the speed here?
So 1 kilometer per hour.
Shabash. Distance upon time. Distance is 10 kilometers. Time is 1 hour. I'm sorry, 10 hours. So the speed would be 1 kilometer per hour. Very nice. What about this? What is the distance here?
1,500 kilometers.
Okay. Speed into time. Speed into time. So it is 2,500 kilometers. Correct. And finally, what is the distance here?
So 5,000 kilometers.
Gosh, very nice. 100 kilometer into 50, sorry, 100 kilometer per hour into 50 hour would be equal to 5 followed by 1, 2, 3. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt in this worksheet?
No, sir.
Very good, very nice. Okay.